Lindsay Clancy trial, judge shuts down TikToker over hospital lies. A dramatic dispute, rooted in a TikTok video, kicked off the Lindsay Clancy murder trial this week. Clancy's defense attorneys are pushing to add a former mental hospital staff member to their witness list, a TikToker who publicly accused witnesses of spreading lies and misrepresentations about the psychiatric facility where Clancy was treated weeks before she allegedly killed her 3 children. Defense attorney Kevin Reddington asked Judge William Sullivan to allow former McLean Hospital social worker Emily Thorndike to testify. Reddington argued that Thorndike, with years of experience on the same short-term unit, could challenge the prosecution's portrayal of McLean as a 5-star hospital overflowing with treatment options that Clancy supposedly refused. Reddington stated that the jury was left with an image of McLean as a 5-star institution with doctors banging into each other in the hallway to treat Clancy, who was supposedly blithely refusing care. He claims this isn't accurate, and the defense tracked down Thorndike after seeing her TikTok video, where she declared she could not stand for their lies and misrepresentations from that witness stand about McLean Hospital. However, prosecutors fired back, pointing out that Thorndike left McLean roughly a year before Clancy's stay. They argued she has no first-hand knowledge of Clancy's treatment and has simply been following the trial online before posting her opinions. Judge Sullivan seemed hesitant to let Thorndike critique the quality of Clancy's hospital care, quipping, "This is not Tripadvisor." He stated he would not permit a debate over whether McLean deserved 5 stars or 2. Yet, Sullivan called the narrower question of staffing and available programs a closer call and is still considering the defense's motion. This witness dispute unfolded before jurors heard a series of desperate messages Clancy sent to her psychiatric nurse practitioner, Rebecca Jollotter, in late 2022. Clancy struggled with insomnia, medication changes, and increasingly intrusive thoughts. In late November, Clancy told Jollotter her depression had worsened, saying she was not at the point of being suicidal but felt she can't go on like this. She described feeling completely hopeless and unmotivated. By early December, she reported having very intrusive thoughts that I never had before and requested a medication change. She apologized for repeatedly contacting the clinic, calling it a scary, very scary, stressful time. On December 2nd, Clancy messaged that she woke with horribly intrusive thoughts of wanting it to be all over, adding, "I'm willing to try anything," and felt completely numb. The next day, after going without Ativan, she experienced horrible intrusive thoughts and felt deeply depressed, only for the thoughts to vanish after taking a small dose of the medication. Nurse Jollotter testified that she interpreted these messages as symptoms of depression and anhedonia, the inability to experience pleasure rather than direct suicidal ideation, and therefore did not direct Clancy to an emergency room.